In a hidden valley, the silent river flowed, whispering secrets to the moon. Animals gathered to listen, but none could understand. One night, a curious frog asked, "Why do you whisper?" The river replied, "I hold the dreams of the world." The frog, eager to dream, leapt into the river. Suddenly, he saw visions of a world where animals spoke and stars danced. But when he returned, he found he could no longer croak. The river chuckled. Dreams come with a price. The frog learned to cherish his voice, realizing dreams are precious, but reality is a gift. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.